Welcome to our home sweet home. Stick around for our first project, window treatments. Here's our first project. We installed blinds on all the windows. This is a Faux wood type of blinds, and it's cordless. Cordless, cause hold on, let me show you. You see the blinds? Yeah, so it's cordless because you don't need to pull the cord to put it up and down. You just push it up and push it down like so, and you know, the regular rod to open and close the blinds. We got this at Home Depot. This is 46 by 46, but we got the size 47 because you could put your blind inside the window or outside. So we prefer the inside, so we made them cut it just a half of an inch to fit it inside the window. So you can get that at Home Depot, and you can have them cut it the size that you want. And this one cost around $50. Okay, here at the living room, we installed roller blinds. This one is what do you call it? Blackout roller blinds. We got this from IKEA. Daddy, demonstrate mo nga the roller blinds.
What do you mean?
Demo!
You can pull it however you want it. It's that, and if you want to roll it up again, just pull it and let go.
Cool.
Do it again. Pull it if you want to roll it up, let go. The blinds are higher. It comes with the, or you can purchase the stick with the hook. Oh, hold on.
Excuse me.
Oh no, I gotta secure this. If the blinds are too high for you, you can buy one of the sticks. Pull it down. Pull it down. Again, just pull it and let go. Bring it up.
Saturation na! You like it, Daddy?
Yeah.
This time, magkakabit naman tayo ng curtain dito sa sliding door. So I'm using this technique as your guide, pre-cut 4 inches on top and 4 inches on the side. By adding at least 4 inches on the height and width of the window or door is to make an illusion of a higher ceiling. This is also a blackout curtain for the sliding door to black out reflections at nighttime. The height of the sliding door is 80 inches and we mounted the curtain rod 4 inches higher. We got an 84 inches curtain, so it will be all the way down on the floor to keep that high ceiling illusion. Thank you guys for watching and joining us on this video. Please watch out for our upcoming videos. We have a lot more of projects to do and to feature on our channel, and we are also gonna be doing unboxing, review, and demo of new products or items. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, and don't forget to also click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we will post a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and make a comment. That would really help us to be seen by other YouTubers and other people. So until next time, thank you again. Bye.